Leonardo DiCaprio and Martin Scorsese are probably, it was a feather in their cap. So I never saw an issue, you know, and when I saw things go the way that they did, I really asked myself, and you know, you feel that you want to do something that is beneficial.
Anurag.
All right, this is Krishna here from ET now. One question to Ekta and one question to Anurag. Ekta, ma'am, the question is, these last-minute controversy, has it affected the release plans of the films at all? As we're talking about last 1 month is the most tiring period for a film and it's about to release. Has it affected the release plans at all? And the question to Anurag is, even as Udta Punjab has gotten a relief, Anurag, there are a couple of smaller films with smaller banners which are fighting the same fight that you have, but they're not grabbing headlines. So what do you have to say about that?
So I think the teams have worked together, Phantom and Balaji, and we have a very interesting set of distributors who've supported us through this whole turmoil, and I think we will be having just the kind of release this film deserves and needs, and we won't open it too wide, but it'll be a pretty wide release, keeping its genre and its audiences in mind. Aman, you want to take that?
It's too early to say right now. By today, tomorrow evening, we'll get a good idea. But you get about 2,000 odd screens, maybe a bit more. Right now, I mean, that's the attempt. So we'll know clarity by tomorrow mostly.
Hi, this is Pooja.
What was your question again?
The question was like,
I think the battle is far from Udta Punjab. Yes, we fought, and there was such amazing support this time. The support came starting with Ekta, to Phantom, to the distributors, to the industry, to all of you people. So I think, you know, this wouldn't have possible if everybody did not support it and believe in the fight. There's some people who doubted our intentions. Some people said that we are doing it for publicity. Some people said we have some political affiliations. We have kept quiet through it all because we believed in our fight and everybody was one. And I don't think there is like, okay, voice probably was mine, but I think everybody was behind me. Otherwise, I would not have gone out there and did all that. And I've not seen this kind of a support. And I feel somewhere, yes, a lot of smaller films are facing that. I read about 2 films this morning. Huh? I don't know about Shogul. I read about one Gujarati film and one Haramkhor. And Haramkhor is in a way indirectly related to me because produced by Guneet. So somewhere, you know, and those films can't fight. But the good thing is they have got the letter. Very clearly, I saw one letter that they got, which is what we were fighting for, which we were not getting. They've got the letter that clearly says they can go to revising or FCAT. That they can skip revising and go to tribunal, which is a good thing, which is a great thing. Because with that letter, then a lot of fight is minimized. So, but I think somewhere, yes, we need to change the system. And I think Mr. Jaitley has made a statement in regards to that. Mr. Rajyavardhan Rathore also said something in regards to that. And they have made us believe that it will happen soon. Well, the way they have said, we are hoping that it will happen this month. You know, in the sense. So let's see that it's not like one of those promises that was made 2 years ago. So it all remains to be seen.
Yeah.
We hope, because I think somewhere they've seen the problem. They saw the problem in the sense, there's something that we have consistently seeing that what happens in a fight like this, it always gets lost because it gets too political and people get too defensive and things, and it kind of loses focus. And this fight was about the film, and it was about what we believed in.
Yeah.
And I think it stayed singular, and the industry joined in. And I've never seen so many people come together. And seeing that response, I think somewhere they've also realized that this industry always needed to come together. And it became one this time. And I think that somewhere has put the pressure on them.
Anurag ji.
Madam, आपको lawyer होना चाहिए.
No, we might see what happens is, if obviously we have humongous problems with Mr. Nellani, but if he goes, who will come in? And what is the guarantee that someone that comes in will not interpret the existing cinematograph act and the law the same way, or maybe worse, or maybe better way. You know, the thing is, the whole system needs an overhaul. The whole system needs an overhaul. Not just Mr. Pellanilani needs to be replaced, which we want to, but the whole system needs an overhaul. And I think we, as an industry, should fight for it, because it's about all the other films too in the future. My biggest worry becomes is when Shahid steps out of his zone and believes in a script, and he's the one I remember that read the script and passed it on to Ali and said that, you know, you must read the script and do the film. And actors encouraging each other to step out of their comfort zone to do a film. When something like this happens and everything gets cut down, I don't think he will have the courage next time to attempt a film like this. So that is so important for us, that, you know, somebody goes out, steps out of their comfort zone, and it's for the system to say, we want to participate, we want to say something, we want to stand by it, but everybody else makes sure that it is communicated that way, the way we saw it, the way we were promised it. So I'm saying somewhere it is a collective responsibility.
Anurag, Ekta, this is...
I don't see, there's a lot of random rumors and things. No, but that's a fact. I was part of Water, and I remember there's a group of people who protested against Water. That group was formed overnight when the protest started. It was called Kashi Suraksha Sangharsh Samiti. I still remember that day. It did not exist the day before. So these things happen, and these things happen all around. So you can't, because people sometimes jump in. It's like some random person will file a case somewhere just because he fancies a star, and he'll put a case against Shahid because he wants to see Shahid. Then when Shahid would go there, all he'll say, sir, can I get a selfie? You know, those kind of things happen across the country. Somewhere we are the soft target. And I think somewhere we should stand up and say, stop making us the soft target. It's very easy to pick anything against someone and say that, कि यार इन्होंने ये कह दिया या वो बोल दिया और हम ऑफेंड हो गए. हम तो सारा दिन ट्विटर पे कोई ना कोई हमको ऑफेंड करता रहता है.
Anurag.
Of course. With the entertainment tax, service tax, what not. We were the most taxed people. We definitely deserve to be treated with some respect by the center, by the government, by the constitution. Absolutely. I think it's, once a film is cleared by the censor board, it becomes the state and the police responsibility to protect the film.
Anurag ji.
हम लोग कल बहुत स्ट्रेस थे. हमारे लिए फिल्म डिलीवर करना बहुत, ये सुबह सब काम चल रहा था, लगातार काम चल रहा था, और सारी दुनिया बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड रही है. एंड हम लोग पहले अपना काम खत्म कर लें अपने हिस्से का, उसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं आपके सामने. और ये डिसीजन जो है कलेक्टिवली सबने लिया था.
Ekta, hi, this is Pooja from CNBC. Ma'am, ये verdict आने के बाद, you know, बालाजी टेलीफिल्म्स का stock is like 9% up. इस उम्मीद पे कि शायद आगे जाकर revenue और business जो है इस movie से वो काफ़ी अच्छा मिलेगा. What is your take? What is your expectation on the revenue front, on the business front? And going forward, क्योंकि 17 जून को release है, तो क्या कुछ strategy आपने बनाई है movie की screening को लेकर या distribution के front पर?
First of all, I don't minutely ever follow my stock like this. If it's 9% up or 10% down,
so that's why
what is important is a film was made with Abhishek's conviction, and the only strategy now, after all the delays that we've gone through, is to release it well. As far as I'm concerned, Anurag and the team have given their best to put this film, fight for this film. Abhishek has done his best. And as far as Balaji stocks, as I said, there are enough ways to keep the stock up, and I hope it keeps staying up, but it's not my first and foremost concern.
Okay.
Anurag, hi, this is...
Hi, one question for Shahid. Shahid, hi. First of all, congratulations. You know, after watching Heather, I was like, now what next? And you came up with Urta Punjab. You know, ये movie एक segment देखने आती है, एक particular audience देखने आती है, because अभी जो hype create हो गई है इतनी, aren't you nervous or excited because किस तरह का response मिलेगा इस movie के through? Because अब काफी सारी masses आएंगी इस movie को देखने के लिए because of the hype which is created.
जी मुझे ये ज़रूर लगता है कि जो भी चाहता था कि ये फिल्म रिलीज़ ना हो, जो भी लोग थे, they've actually helped the film become larger than it was originally. So I don't think it has served the purpose. Uh, on the other hand, we were very scared till 2 days back whether this film will release at all. You also go through a process of self-introspection. You know, you ask yourself, did I do something wrong? Was there something that was not right? Then you go back to asking yourself that we have the right to express ourselves, and I didn't write this film. I didn't even know there was such a problem. But when I heard the script, I felt worried. I felt worried for my brother. I felt worried for my family. I felt worried for the youth at general. If this is an issue that can strike them, then an honest film about that should be made. A film that doesn't try and color it nice and pink and blue and green and yellow, which is what we do most of the times as actors. We try and show people the beautiful side of life. But if we only keep staring at the beauty, we will forget the issues that can lie in front of us, which we have to fight. You know, real life is very different. And here was a film that was talking about a very real issue, which is an issue for everybody. I don't think it's an issue for any particular area or set of people. It's a general issue, but every film has to be based against some backdrop. And here was a film which was honestly trying to express itself and say, listen guys, this is a problem. These are the people who are suffering from it. See what happens to them. Don't become one of them. Fight it. And I felt there was a lot of honesty and sincerity in the way Abhishek was wanting to make the film, and that's the only reason I would do it. Why else would I be a part of a film which would be considered dark, which would be considered, we don't know what kind of people want to see it. We know films about drugs have not been made in India very often. I mean, internationally you have films like Dallas Buyers Club, which are winning Oscars, or even The Wolf of Wall Street, for that matter, had extensive use of drugs, and it wasn't even a film that was saying don't do drugs, you know. But, you know, Leonardo DiCaprio and Martin Scorsese are probably, it was a feather in their cap. So I never saw an issue, you know, and when I saw things go the way that they did, I really asked myself, and you know, you feel that you want to do something that is beneficial. You don't ever want to do something that's detrimental. And I felt that this was a film that will be beneficial in creating awareness, and you cannot create awareness unless you speak the truth. You know, if you sugarcoat things, then you're not going to be able to let somebody... It's like when you go to a doctor, you know, and you have an illness. And if he tells you only 20% of what's wrong with you, you won't take it seriously. You know, it's the same thing. If there's a problem that lies within society, you have to speak about it honestly. Only then will the society be aware of the seriousness of the issue. And I felt this film was doing that. So from the beginning till the end, I've always said that the larger cause of this film is telling people that drugs are not good for you. And I think that cause of the film is larger than everything else, and that's why I did this film. I hope people see this film. I'm happy that there is more curiosity for this film. There will be a lot of films that I'll do in my career which will do big numbers and small numbers and hits and flops. But very few films that will give me the opportunity to participate in something that could help people or create awareness in a positive light. And I'm just happy I'm a part of a film like that. And I'm really happy and relieved. That's a word that Abhishek used yesterday when I saw him on the news. And I so connected with that word. Because that was the feeling that I was feeling. You know, they asked him, are you happy? And he said, you know, happiness is devoid of any conflict. But I know I'm relieved. And I can say the same. I feel relieved that the High Court has passed the film. And that the people of the country will get to see a product that we all felt was a product that should have been put out there.
Hello, this is